losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my
Halloween? Hey guys, so this is a finished product. As you can see right here, of my Halloween garland that I did. Halloween balloon garland. So you can tell me in the comments down below. Yes, Pumpkin? If you like it, because I love it. You know, so extra. So yeah, this is the full look. Yes, Mama? I am talking to our YouTube family. What? Yes, guys, so just take a look at the details of everything, giving you a little close-up. Oh my god, I'm just so in love, you guys. Oh my god, I'm just so in love with it. Yeah. So this is the details right here, guys. Yeah, so let me know what y'all think down below. We love you guys.
That's where these guys come in handy. We've got rocks, paper, and scissors. We're just gonna glue like this.
Okay, guys, so this is not Halloween. Yes. And I dress her up like a little pumpkin. Oh my gosh, yes, guys. So this is how it look in the night.
Happy Halloween to you. It's okay if you're frightened. Just keep your windows open. You don't want to miss the wonders of terror. You can keep the lights off so the ghosts don't get to see you. But you bet they're gonna be coming to see you. Wishing you a
Happy Halloween.
wishing you
A happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! Are you feeling happy? I can see you turning white with happiness. There's nothing to be scared of. They won't bite your head off unless you're feeling naughty.
You guys are put on her slippers around two left foot.
You're not in the mood for a party, but you bet they're gonna be coming to see you. Wishing you
A happy Halloween.
wishing you a happy Halloween.
Oh my gosh.
Happy about Halloween, you ask?
You guys too funny.
Laughing monsters.
Mm.
Okay, if you're frightened, just keep your windows open. You don't want to miss the wonders.
Oh my
of terror. You can keep the
gosh.
lights up to you. Wishing you a happy
Halloween. Wishing you a happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, let's wait for the other one to come. Yeah. Okay, here's the other one.
Watch out. The
Monsters out.
If you're all
Alone, your friends to shout. When you hear them sing, it's Halloween. It's Halloween. Hello, it's Halloween.
the air is cool and the moon is full. Turn on the light before the vampires
Fight.
The witches are cooking. The zombies are looking at you.
Can you hear them sing? Hello, it's Halloween. Hello, it's Halloween. Hello, it's Halloween. It's Halloween. The monster is out. Give your friends a shout. You hear them sing? Watch out. Can you hear them sing? Hello, Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. No, that's... Okay, guys. So Nal is gonna color. Nal is gonna color now. Yes, she's gonna color under Halloween setup, and I got these for her to color. That's one. This is the other one, and I have to get a pumpkin, okay? So she's gonna color all three of these.
Wait. I have to put the pumpkin and then I have some candy and I put the witch in the pumpkin and eat it with the jelly.
Okay, you can color pumpkin. And so... Yes, I want you to color. Yeah, I want you to color, Mama. So I'm playing some Halloween songs while she colors.
Happy Halloween to you. It's okay
If you're frightened,
keep your windows
open.
You don't
Go to Beast the Wonders.
terror. You can keep
The lights on.
the ghosts don't get to see you, but you bet they're
Gonna be coming to see you. Wishing you a happy Halloween. Wishing you a happy Halloween. Wow.
happy.
Are you feeling happy? Well, be scared of. Hey, 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 hey. Oh,
You can hide under
the pillow. Hey, 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 hey. Gonna be coming to see you. Wishing you a happy Halloween. Wishing you a happy Halloween.
Halloween.
Oh.
Those laughing monsters.
Ooh,
If you're frightened, want to
Mr. Wonders of Terror.
I said to look
Right, so, hey, to see you. There's gonna be coming to see you. Wishing you a happy Halloween. Wishing you a happy
No,
Halloween.
not that one. Wait, not with that one. I want like this. And the future.
You're coloring it, okay.
I'm calling the skeleton in
The
this.
skeleton.
Yes, I don't have white. I have to color in this, and the ghost in this, and the skeleton in this.
It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween.
Piano in pink. A pink.
The air is cool and the moon is full. Turn on the light before the
Vampire bites. Looking. Can you hear them sing?
Hello.
Halloween. Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween.
Pink.
Watch out. The
Motors out. Give
Give
your friends a shout. Watch out. Can you hear them sing? Give your friends a shout.
I hear hello, with me. Hello. Him say P-R-I-17. Oh, what's that? Happy Halloween. Happy.
There's not a soul in sight. Hear footsteps. Who's that coming? Oh no. I see a ghost. Oh no.
I see a
Ghost.
Then.
It's Halloween.
Night, not a soul in sight. I hear footsteps. Who's that coming?
I see a zombie.
Wow. Let me show everyone.
Look out.
Wow. So nice. Okay, gonna do the other one? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, color the other one now.
Yes,
I see a
I love doing it faster.
I see a skeleton. Hide. I see a skeleton.
Hey everyone, want to have a sleepover at my place? Let's all squeeze in together. Yeah. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 9 in the bed, and the bigger one said, move over, move over. So they all moved over, and one fell out. Move. Scooch over. So they all scooched over and one fell out. There were 7 in the bed, and the oldest one said, turn over, turn over. So they all turned over and one fell out. There were 6 in the bed, and the younger one said, crawl over, crawl over. So they all crawled over and one fell out. Oh, he did. You know this bed ain't big enough for the 10 of us. There were 5 in the bed, and the loudest one said, shove over, shove over. So they all
Wow. So nice. Wow. Alright, do the other one now.
all flipped over and one fell out. I got stuck. There were 3 in the bed, and the naughty one said, flip over, flip over. So they all flipped over and one fell out. Yes, he did. Now there were 2 in the bed, and the quiet one said, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there were 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night.
Oh my gosh, they're so funny for kids.
Hola.
Guys, who feels like getting up to some mischief? Maybe a little monkeying around?
I do. Oh, I love monkeys.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh boy, this is fun. Hey, I love jumping on my bed.
4 little monkeys hanging from a tree. One fell down and hurt
Wow, look at that. Good job, Mama. Good job. So guys, this is all three of them.
Wait, you can do you. Mommy, you can do color this. Don't color the star.
Okay, you can color them if you want.
Okay, this one already. I'm going to want to do this.
Okay. Okay guys, so we'll let her finish up coloring, and yeah, she's gonna have fun. Wear little balloons, her little Halloween balloons. So guys, this is our Halloween video for this year, and it's not first Halloween. I wanted to do it last year, but unfortunately I wasn't able to. So this year I wanted to go all out for her first Halloween, and that I did, yes. So let me know down below if you love this setup. This is like the day after you're seeing it. So yeah. And she's dressed like a pumpkin, okay? That's why she's in her full orange. Yeah. And yeah. We'll see you guys in another video. Say bye now. You're not looking. What? You have to wave. Say bye, guys. Ooh, she's finishing up. Look at that. She's making sure coloring all the stars. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Good job. She's not leaving any. Good job, Mama. Okay, so this is her Halloween, guys. So cute.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Good job. Alright, say bye, guys. Love you.